So what are these large are there? That is the equation obtained by combining what are there? Boyle's law is there. Then what is the next one is there? Charles' law is there, and Avogadro law. So Boyle's law, if you talk about B inversely proportional to P, this is what is the Boyle's law, I think. Yes, yeah, no. Next one is B proportional to T. That is, I think, Charles' law. Charles' law.
Sir, Charles law is V proportional to T.
And that is Avogadro law, B proportional to N. Yes, yeah, no.
Yes, sir.
So now combine these three equations. If you are combining these three equations, so what is their left side are the common? Everything is common in the left side. Yes, yeah, no. So if you are combining, that is the B proportional. What will become here? N is there, then T is there, divided by P is there. Yes, yeah, no.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we can write that PV proportional to NT, or that is PV equal to nRT. PV R is the C. R is what is called universal gas constant. Universal gas constant. And understood?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Density from too much sound is coming. Density from ideal gas equation. Ideal gas equation. Density from ideal gas equation. So PV is equal to what? Density is equal to what? That is mass per unit volume. Yes, yeah, no? Mass per unit volume. 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 Means W by V. So what we can write? PV is equal to, we are having nRT. nRT. So N is equal to what is there? Given mass by molar mass. Molar mass. Yes, yeah, no? So we can write given mass means what we can write? W by capital M. We are writing. So here PV is equal to, we are writing W by capital M RT. M is what? Molar mass. This is the molar mass. This is what? Gram mass. Yeah, given mass. Both are same. So here M we are getting here PVM. PVM is equal to WRT. Yeah. PM is equal to W by V RT. What is this? W by V is what? That is density. W by V is what? That is density. So PM is equal to, that is going to be DRT, right? PM is equal to DRT. So D is equal to going to be PM by what? This is the RT.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Otherwise, you can okay. Molar mass from ideal gas equation. You can do the many things. Ideal gas equation. So you can calculate the molar mass. If the gas molar mass is not there, that is also you can calculate. How can you calculate? Molar mass is equal to dRT by what we can write? Pressure. You can calculate anything you can calculate. Okay. So this is the ideal gas equation. We need to solve the problem. First of all, let us try to know the value of R. Values of R in different unit. See, in different, R is having so many unit. Okay. If we calculate in the many unit. Okay. So so PV is equal to, we are having nRT. So R is equal to, it is going to be PV by NT. For 1 mole, you are going for 1 mole. For 1 mole, if you are going. So what you will take, Sanoe? P.
R equal to PV by T.
Okay. P is equal to 10.10 power 5 Pascal. In the Pascal, it is 10.5. See, Pascal into, I think Pascal, I am calculating R in You can write that is Joule, Joule, Kelvin inverse, mole inverse. Joule, Kelvin inverse, mole inverse. So Pascal into meter cube. No, Pascal into meter cube. It is going to be
Yes, sir.
Joule. This is the unit. So here is P is equal to in the Pascal 10 power 5. V is equal to 22.4 mole. 22.4 liter. And milliliter, if you are calculating 22.4 milliliter, what we have to do, Sanoy? That is, we have to multiply by 10 power 3.
3.
So it will be coming, that
So that
is
will be equal to 1 second. So that will be equal to 2.24 into 10 power 3, 10 power 4.
10 power 4 in centimeter cube. In centimeter cube, how we will convert? What we will do in the centimeter cube? Liter and centimeter cube. We have to divide.
P.
So we need to
So we
divide.
have to multiply. So Q we have to multiply.
Okay, let me centimeter cube. Let us centimeter cube. Let it be centimeter cube. Okay, now this is there. Mole are there. Temperature Kelvin. Temperature we have to take 273 Kelvin. Now plug this value in the equation. See what will come. So pressure 10 power 5. Volume is 22.4 into 10 power 3. I think minus 3 it will be. And 1 temperature 273. Check the value, how much it is going to come.
Sir, this one value.
This will, so no, it is the in centimeter cube we have to divide, not multiply. This will be the minus 3 in the centimeter
Sir,
cube.
excuse me, sir,
Meter cube, not
sir,
centimeter.
Sir, actually, sir, from 9 PM we are actually having the maths classes. Sir is calling me. Sir, can I just inform him for 1 second that first we will complete this one, so then we will join that one.
Otherwise, you can do the tomorrow. I will tell you tomorrow. This one, R value, because
Okay,
it will.
so then R value.
R value are there. I need to teach you in the 3 different units, right? Like in the calorie, joule, and this all that. So tomorrow it will take 10 minutes. I will do tomorrow, right?
Okay.
Okay. Take care. Tomorrow,
So tomorrow
9
I
AM.
will call you at 9 AM.
Okay.
Thank you.